The Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier is perfect for medium-sized rooms for temporary relief of dry air discomforts. The cool, invisible moisture helps to provide relief from dry air, while the wicking filter captures minerals from the water, helping to prevent white dust. The 1.1-gallon water tank can run up to 24 hours on the lowest setting, and the water tank has a wide opening, making it easy to fill and clean. On the top of the unit is the 3-speed setting control to adjust the moisture output and sound level. The Honeywell HCM-350 uses the HAC 504 series Replacement Filter A. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.